What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing a two-part series. So this first video is going to be the design and the second video is going to be the development, and I'm going to release them both in the same day. Now this is going to be a little different because I'm not going through the entire process of design, and I'm not going through every little small detail of development. But what I'm gonna do is I have a screen recorded me designing this, so I'm gonna voice over the video and I'm gonna watch it with you guys. So I'm gonna explain to you what I was thinking and what I was doing as we both watch the video, and then after this one, in the next video, we are going to actually go through and develop this. So it's gonna be a very quickly developed website. I think it's only gonna take a couple hours. That might not sound quick to some people, but that's much longer than days and weeks to develop a website. So I'm hoping to get it all done in just one really long, like 2-hour video or something like that. And we're just gonna blow through and develop it real quick. And I'm really gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just, I'm just gonna develop it and not explain every little thing that I'm doing. And if you guys have any questions along the way that you don't understand, I encourage you to leave a comment and let me know what your question is, so that either I can answer it in the comment thread down below, or I can create a video that speaks more directly onto whatever it was you had a question about. Just before we go ahead and jump into the video and watch me design this website, make sure you leave this video a thumbs up, and any questions you have, just comment them down below. And if you do like the content that I'm creating on this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because that's really what enables me to keep doing this. As this community grows, I'm able to put more and more time and more effort into this, and I'm really excited for it. I cannot wait to see where this channel ends up in the next year or so. So anyways, give the video a thumbs up and let's go ahead and jump into design. So real quick, just before I go ahead and play the video, I just wanted to show you this real quick. It is the basic brand guidelines for the design forum. They sent this to me just before I started working on the project, and it's so nice to have. You know, they just sent me some colors that they use. They sent me the Pantone color they're using here, so I had to convert that to a hex code. And you know, they sent white and black, so this is just, you know, 00000, if that was 6 zeros, and then FFFFFF. And then we've got our typography set here, you know, set the tracking, exactly what the tracking needs to be, what the leading needs to be, all of this here, and the font, you know. They also gave me what tone they're looking for, you know, authoritative, minimalistic, and modern. And they also gave me their mission statement, which I do end up using in the design, and you'll see how I use it in a moment. But along with that, they also sent me some other assets. They sent me some pictures here that you can see of just events that they've had, so I can use this in the website as well. And they also sent me their logo, which was very appreciated. They sent this to me in EPS. They sent it to me as a you know, black on white and then white on black, and then I just took those and converted that into a single black on white. Well, technically there's no white there, it's just, no, okay, I guess there is. Anyways, I turned it into an SVG just so I could have the SVG to work with inside of Adobe XD. But anyways, that's pretty much everything I wanted to show you before I went ahead and hit play on this video. So with that done and with that out of the way, let's go. Alright, so right now I am just going through this and I'm pulling in some elements, you know, their logo and whatnot. And before I went into designing this up like I'm doing right now, high fidelity, I did have some ideas in mind, and I had some discussions back and forth with the people that this project is for. We kind of spit some ideas back and forth, and you know, we came up with something that I thought I liked. And you know, I sketched it out just a little bit so I could see it, and now I jumped into the high fidelity design. And so what I'm doing right here is I added their logo in, and then this body of text you see is actually their mission statement. Another thing that they said they wanted to add was some of their social media icons. And so instead of going and searching for those icons right now, I knew I was going to use Font Awesome in the future to just pull them in and use them. So I just added some boxes. And what you see me doing right now is creating a input for the newsletter so that anyone can subscribe to this newsletter and get updates on what it is that they are doing. So that's pretty much what my idea was. I kind of wanted it to be a little, artistic and just different. So I gave a version with it off to the right, like you just saw on the right half. And then I did another one with it off to the left. And then I did a third one here that you see where I added an image on the left side and kind of, pushed it just off the left side so that it kind of hung over the end and looked like it was coming from outside of the frame a little bit. And then for mobile, I had two ideas. I center aligned everything here, and then I made everything white on an image. So these are the two little options that I did that's a little different. For the next set that I did, I pretty much just used a different font that they had chosen as well that was in their brand guidelines. They used Helvetica, and they used this Garamond font. So I went ahead and I added this Garamond font to like the small body pieces right here, and that's what I've got going on right now. And then I kind of just duplicated everything down and just changed that piece of text throughout this. And then from there, I wanted to switch it up a little bit. We had some discussions, and I went in here and I just went ahead and added, another layer. So we wanted to go with the black and white image. We wanted to fill in the input field, align everything to the left, and then just keep the color on the actual button with the word subscribe. And so that's pretty much the design. Right now, all I am doing is creating the the favicon, the Apple Touch icon, and then the OG image. So this is the Apple Touch icon, and then I changed it up a little bit for the favicon, which you'll see here. Yeah, there you go. Exactly. And so, I just did some stuff and aligned it vertically and, was happy with aligning it vertically. And that right there, what you see is the final design, and that's what we chose. So I hope you like it. Let me know what you like about it, what you might not like about it. I know this is a very quick video, but, that was the whole point. We just wanted to speed through this process, and we're going to jump right into development next. Boom. All right, that's it. The video is over. That was the entire design for this website. It's a single landing page. It's nothing extremely complicated or anything like that. So I'm excited to jump into development, and that's what we are about to do next. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you like the content that I'm creating on this channel, head on over to my Patreon account at patreon.com/Zachary R. Newton, where you can help support this channel and help me create better videos every week. Until then, I'll see you in like 10 minutes.